American ships will sail the seas. American planes will soar the skies. American workers will build our fleets.
We need quality products from quality suppliers, and we need them on time.
It's a lot more involved in it than a lot of people think. You got hundreds of different suppliers and different trades working together and team efforts. It's a lot to come into one product.
America has always been the country that boldly leads the world into the future.
We live for it. So many millions of people around the country working on the ships, operationally, building the ships. We just think we're part of probably the best exclusive club in the United States.
Our carriers are the centerpiece of American military might overseas.
Our suppliers are very important. Without them, we'd just be 100,000 tons of steel instead of 100,000 tons of diplomacy.
We are standing today on 4.5 acres of combat power and sovereign U.S. territory, the likes of which there is nothing to compete. There is no competition to this ship.
We do quality work, and we want to keep doing quality work. Without the suppliers sending us the stuff that we need, we can't get the job done.
The proud dignity of this ship is a fitting tribute to Gerald Ford, the man and the president. Congratulations to all of the men and women who helped build it. This is American craftsmanship at its biggest, at its best, at its finest.
For us as shipbuilders, in order to produce a first-time quality, it's important that the materials and the equipment, down to the smallest nuts and bolts we receive, to be of the same quality that the Navy expects of us.
American workers are the greatest anywhere in the world. This warship and all who serve on it should be a source of shared pride for our nation. And by the way, we're going to soon have more coming.
Our suppliers are important to us because it is very crucial that we continue to receive the best products from them to support the growing military for the United States Navy.
This carrier and the new ships in the Ford class will expand the ability of our nation to carry out vital missions on the oceans to project American power in distant lands. Hopefully, it's power we don't have to use. But if we do, they're in big, big trouble.
Great aircraft carriers start with great suppliers. We depend on first-time quality for our products to build the greatest warships for the United States Navy.
After years of endless budget cuts that have impaired our defenses, I am calling for one of the largest defense spending increases in history. And by eliminating the sequester and the uncertainty it creates, we will make it easier for the Navy to plan for the future and thus to control costs and get the best deals for the taxpayer, which of course is very important, right? Got to get a good deal.
Suppliers quality is very important. It goes hand in hand with ours. Basically, they have to have the same amount of integrity, put in the same amount of work, and having a sense of pride in one's work, because at the end of the day, it's a team effort and we're trying to build great ships, like ships that will last through any circumstances.
Our Navy is now the smallest it's been since, believe it or not, World War I. That's a long time ago. In fact, I just spoke with Navy and industry leaders and have discussed my plans to undertake a major expansion of our entire Navy fleet, including having the 12-carrier Navy we need. Our republic will meet any challenge, defeat any danger, face any threat, and always seek true and lasting peace. May God bless our military. May God bless our Navy. May God bless the wonderful Gerald Ford family. And may God continue to bless the United States of America. Thank you very much.